smell of corn. Going to my jersey.
Do you know? Okay, do you guys know anyone who knows a lot about camping?
Okay. Welcome back to the new 10 Winners Minutes. And we got a special guest here, Eric Rio. Today we're gonna do something kind of crazy. We're gonna learn how to vomit on command. Are you ready, Eric?
Yeah. Peter Griffin.
Okay, we're gonna drink salt with water and then drink 4 cups of water immediately afterwards.
Y'all get ready to grab your bags because water is easy to vomit out.
Stater brother, it's not sponsoring this.
Not sponsored.
To clarify, I am not going to do this with these two guys.
Oh, you're not gonna do this?
I'll be the commentator.
Alright, so here's 4 of these. Here's 4 of these.
For at least
This is gonna be our salt water, the one in the middle, and we're gonna have to drink at least 4. Now we're gonna have to put 3 teaspoons of salt in the water and dissolve it. It smells regular.
Not gonna when you vomit it out.
So yeah, we have to drink.
I don't understand, dude. I feel like, I don't know, I think I have to go. Like, oh, fuck.
Cheers.
3, 2, 1, go.
Already? Oh, he's chugging it, bro.
It's already coming out. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are your thoughts, Eric?
I'm not finished.
I just took 3 sips and
I'm not finished.
You checked it off?
how did you?
How did you?
Hey, we gotta drink all these at once. There's one. Number 3. That's pretty good, man. Pretty good.
Oh, it's on my tongue.
My throat. I actually threw up like 3 spits in here.
Dude, when I vomit, it's silent.
It's silent.
Is it me or is there a smell in the room now?
Next one. It's just the first one. People throwing up on other people. This is like a good breather. Nothing too bad. Just a Muslim girl. I think it's maybe the lady.
From the Medina?
Yeah.
I think it's the guy.
The guy? She doesn't look like she's having fun though. Oh, she's putting her head on his shoulder. Oh no, I think it's the guy. Look at his face. He's hiding it. Oh,
Yep.
the girl in the white jersey. Nope, the girl in the white jersey. Oh! That wasn't too bad though.
The guy. Bruh.
Watching this video, do you feel better? Or do
Yeah.
you feel worse? Yeah?
There's
Yeah.
a bunch of like time in between.
Yeah. So we can like,
It's building up to the
I'm
vomit.
I'm easy to gore. It's just it's salt.
looking at other people throw up, it didn't really make us throw up. But the next one we're gonna do is, what do you want to pick, Eric?
So there's gargle eggs in a cup. Think about vomiting.
Gargle eggs.
You want gargle eggs?
Gargle.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Do I feel like that salt's gonna give me like a seizure? Testing. Please follow my Instagram at Eric_Rios_18.
Oh yeah, plug that in.
Yeah.
Plug it in.
Yeah.
Plug it in.
I need clout.
We're gonna use egg whites. Do you know how to like separate like the yolk from the egg white?
Yeah.
Or the whites?
Like this.
Dang, how'd you do that? Eric should be teaching you. Look at him. Look at this. We're supposed to gargle. It's like,
I think this is something that you, Max, can't handle.
probably not. Eric, though, I think he can probably do it for like a minute straight. 1, 2, 3, cheers. Hey, how you doing, bro? Hey, Eric's got an iron stomach. Look at the buffalo. It's like he has rabies or something.
Boy ain't right.
What is that yell, bro?
Wasn't that bad.
Not that bad.
Gargle this what you just spit out.
Alright. I'm just thinking about
Got to taste the salt out of my mouth.
next one. I'm crying, bro. Like we could try like for a minute straight try to like vomit with only our minds. See if you can do it. I think I could do it.
I can't do it.
Ready, set, go. Alright, let's just try to vomit.
This thing's going to be.
A little bit out. That's 2 little throat spits. Dude, let's do it. Come on. Think about poop. Think about your mom. Your mom.
Think about the smell of mustard. Think about the smell of corn. Oh, there you go.
I did it.
Oh,
I did it.
sorry.
Max, look at that. Look at that. No, no, no. Oh, God.
Okay.
You know the last time I vomit, like, before, forcing myself to vomit.
Uh-huh.
The last time I vomit was technically forced.
Mhm.
Before that was 3rd grade. Is that it? Or you guys want to be, like, crazy?
You good?
Yeah.
So
Mission accomplished.
now the final round is to drink it all.
Oh,
Drink
no,
drink
no.
and throw up.
Oh no.
So you don't have to use your fingers. You can just think about just put salt in the water and just think about throwing up. This has been Max Lee D. 10 minutes.
10 minute.
And we'll see you next time with us not throwing up, hopefully.
Yes, and I can finally incorporate myself in this.
God.
Is there anything you want to say before we finish this video?
Oh, yeah.
Oh no. Follow me and yeah, that's it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Do you know, okay, do you guys know anyone who knows a lot about camping?